These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of it.
Hold up, girl, before you do that shit. Do you wanna end up in a dirty bit? Think about the future, let me give you a tip. 9 months from now, he ain't gonna be your Brad Pitt.
What's a little bit of harmless flirting? Take a look at your friends, don't they all got men? You been wrong, lady, and don't be acting shady. Can't you tell it, baby? Both of y'all got a chemistry.
Chemistry my ass, all he really wanna do is jack you up. Take you out, have one night of fun. Smarten up, listen up to the voice in your head. Just move away from the bad.
Nah, see the smile on his face? You become of age, time to break free from your cage. What? Did I hear you say pregnancy? All you need are the pills at the pharmacy.
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of it.
Hold up, boy, get your act up straight. You about to have a baby boy. Boy, you gotta treat her like a hoe. Now you gotta learn how to make dough. Now you got a family, don't go.
It wasn't your fault, she was all over you. You didn't turn her on, she turned you on. Dude, not to mention, wasn't even a virgin too. Could be the other way round, maybe it wasn't you.
Listen up, boy, you know the baby's yours. Don't matter if you lock your doors. Few months from now, nature's gonna take its course. Don't hide, stand up, face the force.
You gonna marry the girl with a doubt on your mind? You must be crazy, soldier. Step back in line, you don't even know the girl that was a one-night stand. Cause she here for the money, no it ain't about the man.
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of it.
Listen up, Ace, why you gotta be so negative? Try to be a bit positive.
What if this was reality, not just some fictional shit? But the fact of the matter is the voices are legit. Uniform clad chicks undergoing abortions. Emotions and secrets run deep as oceans. My wake up call though, bitter is the potion. Time to face the facts and break from delusion. How many lives must we shatter? Souls we batter. 9 months from December, yet we sting like a rattler. Ageless babies who never see the light of day, left to rot away lifeless. Now ain't that heartless? You gotta think before you judge a person by appearance, before we let it sow the rest by your conscience. So this what I'm asking, now hold up your zipper. You once was a baby, now think